Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will teach you how to install Google Play Store on iPhone and iPad. Let's start the video. Open the Safari browser on your iOS device. On the Safari browser page, type Google Play Store. Now tap on this website Android apps on Google Play. Now a Google Play Store page will appear on your screen. Here, tap on share icon at the bottom. Now scroll down to find add to home screen and click on it. Here, remove it and type Play Store and then click on add. As soon as you click on add, it will be added to your iPhone home screen. Now open it. So guys, as you can see, the Google Play Store is installed on my iPhone. To sign in, tap on the top right corner of the page and then tap sign in with Google. Here, enter your email address or phone number. Next, enter your password.